See, I'm going to take short entry here. So based on this trend line, I'm going to take it. My SL is above this. So and target is 1:2. So let's see what will happen. So here I took based on this trend line. So trend line is it's near, and if I put the 5 minutes and the 200 moving average, 200 moving average is taking a resistance, and here also there is 9915 EMA is taking a resistance this candle, so it may come down. So I took a trade here. So let's see, once if it gets 1:1, I mean 1.7 to 1.7 to 1:1, if it gets, I will put this stop loss to a cost to cost. So I will draw this short position here, stop loss, and here the target is to risk reward. We need to follow the risk reward. Always we need to follow risk reward. So if multiple stop loss, it's fine, but we need to take maximum profit. Once we practice this will become a habit. So in 1 minute also it is taking support over higher time frame, in 5 minutes time frame. So it is taking resistance of 200 EMA. Once it comes to 200 EMA, see here it takes resistance. So this support. So this support, it becomes resistance again if it breaks down. So again it is taking resistance. If this resistance breaks, then it may go up, or else overall the trend is bearish. So you need to check. First you need to check in the 4 hours time frame. So overall the trend is bearish. Again 1 hour also the trend is bearish. It is bearish. And if I come to a 15 minutes time frame, it is also taking resistance over here. So if you put a trend line over here, so this, you can see this 200 EMA, so it has taken a resistance, and here again 915 EMA crossover, and it is taking a resistance over here in 15 minutes also, but it has given so much of wick downside, because this wick represents buying pressure. It represents here, and upper wick represents selling pressure. So if we come to a 5 minutes, so it has broken down, but it has not sustaining, maybe a fake breakdown, or else it might come to this trend line and respect it, and again it might fall. So let's see. Yes, it's near to our SL, so it's about to 916 EMA, 915 EMA, and here also it is taking a resistance of 915 here, because it has crossed above and later on it has given a breakdown. Now let's see whether it will take support. It has crossed the 200 EMA, whether it will take support, or this is a breakout or what. So you need to fix the calculated risk based on your risk appetite, and wherever you want, means like you need to take stop loss or you need to go for a target. Between that you need not to exit. You should control your emotions, whether it is loss or profit, because you know the risk and you know the reward also. So no need to take any emotions, no need to behave like anxiety, BP, sugar. No need to see according to our analysis. So it is taking a resistance over here. Let's see in 1 minute. So 1 minute it has given a good candle, so good pattern also. If it's break down, again it will come down, and so much volatile will be there. be careful in Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, because this one candle is like almost 78 points. 1 minute candle I'm saying. So this 1 minute candle is 132 points. So you can see above here. You can see this 132 points, 132 pips. We'll call it as pips. And the market, we need to follow the market structure. So market structure means, I will show you the market structure. So this is the low and high. Again this low has broken, so lower low, and now lower high is happening. Again if it breaks down, the lower low, lower high. So this is a market structure. Here also it's same is happening. So it is moving between 200 EMA above and below. So it's almost there sideways. And here there is no decay and all those things. Just if it is going up, you can buy the future buy. If it is going below, you can future sell. And for future, there is no expiry. There is no expiry for future. And we'll get so much of leverage. So if I check here, I got 1:400. 1:400 I mean, if I invest 1 rupee, 400 rupees they will give. That is what leverage is. But this is a bit risky one, because I invested $2.82, but my risk is 1.2, almost 50% of my capital. 50% of my investment will go wrong. So it's closing above 200 EMA. Might be chances of going up. So that this will take long time, I think so. So I have been recording. So this video may be a lengthy one. I thought of coming live. So every day evening by 9:30. So in 1 minute also we can see this trend line over here. Yes, we have got good move. Yeah. Now I got almost 1:1. So I can put this to cost to cost. See, cost to cost. There is no profit, there is no loss. Now if it goes above also, I need not to worry, because my capital is safe. Again this might continue. Let's cash. If we need, we can trial it. But it's okay. We'll exit to 1:1, because this is the first live trade video I'm recording. Before I trialed the target and a sell. Risk reward is very important. Yes, we are getting a target. Almost, if it touches just, it will exit automatically. We are almost near the target. So if it just comes down, because here there is a support, right? So in support, so many people will be buying, and below that there will be some stop losses. So it might be hitting. So my target is here. So it is going up. It's okay. I'm sticking to my rules. So very huge candle. Target might come now. Anytime it might hit my target, because fraction of a blink of an eye, it will hit. So much volatile will be there in Bitcoin. Almost got to 1:2, just 1:2.09, just a small pips, almost 4 pips. It has missed my target. Let's wait. Yes, it's a getting hit. So I got the profit of $3.60. Hope you got learning from this, because this is very useful video, because we need to take limited risk, and we have got 1:2 risk reward, and it might go down. So this is the first video, so I'm sticking to 1:2. I'm not trialing it. In further videos I will show you the trialing, and live sessions also will be coming. So just wait and watch. So please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.